I have discussed this with my daughter's teacher. I have spoken to my cousin, a professor in automobile engineering. I have also spoken to my neighbor's daughter, a medical student.
Did you forget speaking to someone important?
Oh, hi Bunny. Yes, I also discussed this with my nephew, the one who cleared civil services.
You're ignoring someone who's the heart of this discussion. Have you spoken to your daughter? Shouldn't she be doing something she's interested in?
My daughter? But isn't she too young to know what she is interested in?
You can't be more wrong, my friend. It's very important that she chooses a career from her area of interest. If she's a realistic person, she'll like being hands-on. If she's investigative, she'll excel in science and research. An artistic person likes innovation and self-expression. An enterprising person likes being in charge and will be a good persuader. Being conventional means she's well-structured and likes to work with data. A social person is very friendly and values caring for others.
There are so many types.
Yes, but there's someone out there who'd help you identify your daughter's interests and has classified careers as per these interests.
But is just being interested enough, dear Bunny?
Good question. Having the abilities as required by a career is equally important. Hence, My Pursuit assesses each of your daughter's abilities, be it numerical, her ability to think critically, verbal, being able to communicate effectively, mechanical, ability to apply mechanical and engineering concepts, closure, ability to visually pursue an object in entirety, reasoning, ability to draw conclusions from facts or evidence, spatial, ability to mentally generate or transform images, or clerical, ability to pay attention to detail. Only those careers from your daughter's area of interest are suggested for which she exhibits the required abilities.
Sounds very comprehensive and holistic.
Yeah, just a handful of interesting and normalized tests to gauge the kids' interests and abilities. Well, there's more to My Pursuit. There's another simple test to assess your daughter's personality and highlight her strengths and areas of improvement. After all, one needs the right personality traits to excel in a career. The best part is, the kid invests less than a couple of hours, and in return, you get advice from a professional mentor and a holistic report with her interests, abilities, personality traits, and scientifically suggested career options.
That is less than the time one spends to watch a movie.
Now you're getting it. Imagine what would have happened if Ajit Tendulkar had not spotted the ability in this kid, or Harveer Singh Nehwal had not acknowledged his daughter's interest in badminton. A career isn't just something you do on a daily basis. It is the thing that wakes you up every day. I hope you let My Pursuit help you choose the perfect career option. One so apt that you are willing to do it even if you have to pay for doing the same. My Pursuit. Your career. It's our passion.